How to reply to all birthday wishes on your Facebook timeline. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to reply to all of the posts on your timeline. And if they are your birthday wishes, I'll show you how you can reply to them. First thing first, go ahead and open up Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you are going to have to go ahead and tap on the profile icon at the top right. Then find the gear icon to go to settings. Once on the settings menu, you just need to scroll down here until you find your activity log. So just tap on it. On your activity log, tap on the drop down on your Facebook activity. Then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find posts. Expand that. Tap on see more. And here you can find other people's posts on your feed. So these are other people posting on your timeline. So it's going to completely filter them out. And once you've done that, you can find all of the posts that have been posted on your timeline. Just tap on any one of the posts, or if it's your birthday wish, just tap on it and tap on the three dots, tap on view. Then you can easily reply to this post just like here. So that is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next